A single conch sound now sets the tone for the battle. Chapter 1, Shloka 12 of Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Tasya sanjanayan harsham kuruvriddha pitamahaha sinhanadam vinadyochaihi shankham dadmau pratapavan. Translation. Then the grand old man of the Kuru dynasty, the glorious patriarch Bhishma, roared like a lion and blew his conch shell very loudly, giving joy to Duryodhana. To boost the morale of the Kaurava army, Bhishma, the senior commander, blows his conch shell loudly. Aware of Duryodhana's anxiety, he signals his readiness to lead and fight dutifully. The conch sound is not just a signal of war, it's a declaration of confidence and leadership. Reflection for verse 12. Leadership speaks through action. Bhishma doesn't speak, yet his action reassures the entire army. Sometimes the leadership is felt more through the presence than words. A closing thought. Duty is sometimes fulfilled with compassion. In the given scenario, Bhishma does not speak, but his action acknowledges both responsibility and concern for Duryodhana's state of mind. The stage is now set and the atmosphere of the battlefield is established. We will continue with Shloka 13 in the next video. Jai Shri Krishna.
Bhagavad Gita ki dhum chale, hriday se hriday tak, शब्द बन के दिव्याग्नि जला दे हर अंधक. श्रवण करो मन में उतरो, हर श्लोका है मार्गदर्शन. गीता जहाँ न ज्योति जलाओ, बन जाओ तुम अपना अर्पण.